Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today, this video on spoken English is a special one. It has been found that from May we started our spoken English practice class, and about 4 months have passed. It has been observed that we have discussed 15 topics during the class, and today is a special video on these topics. It has been found that in this new channel there is only 8 videos, and some undesirable accident in my YouTube live happened, and so we have lost some videos, but I am sure that you, my viewers, will certainly get those videos. Today I shall give URL of those videos which I have conducted with my students. Let us see those videos. Before entering this chapter of this video, I shall tell you that we belong to modern age, and in modern age, if we cannot communicate with others through a language which has internationally importance and which is very easy to learn, we cannot express ourselves, expand ourselves for our own benefit. You should know that present life is a internationally global life, because the earth has been a global village because of the invention of computer, internet, social media, etc. Life means change. Everything is in life is always changing, and if you cannot keep up with that changing tendency of the world, you cannot prosper in life. Who doesn't want prosperity in life? Everyone prosperity in life, but all do not achieve that prosperity because ignorance. Only ignorance makes us limited to our small sphere of life. To expand yourself, first you have to think. In our spoken English videos, in the first 2 videos we have discussed what is needed for speaking. Speaking needs idea, thought. If you do not have ideas, what will express through your conversation? So, think a lot, observe life, think, and you will have ideas to express to others. Now I am a teacher of English. Before I hadn't this fluency of English because I was not habituated with such speaking. But in spite of being an experienced and aged teacher, I had some feeling that why can't I express myself in good English? That means I wanted to improve my spoken English. The fact is that in spite of being a teacher, we have to teach in such a situation, in a social scenario, in such a school atmosphere, that there are most of the students are of Bengali medium. If I start to speak with them in English, most of them will not understand because they are not habituated with such conversation. As a result of it, in spite of being a teacher, we have sufficient equipments or elements of expressing ourselves in English, but because of a lack of practice, we have not developed this skill to a great extent. And at this age of life, of course, I thought it earlier, but this lockdown, this restricted period of our life has compelled me or others to make videos so that they may be benefited for all concerned. I myself have also been benefited by it because I have got the scope to speak in English with my students, and I am very happy that such videos will remain on this earth. Of course, YouTube may delete my videos after my expiry from this earth, but I think my videos will remain somewhere and they will remain forever. It may be forever if there is the scope for it. This is Guru Shakti, and Guru Shakti means power of God, power of nature that has been given within myself, and I am utilizing it. My body, mind, brain, speech organs are helping me to express or the manifestation of that power. So I am very happy. God Himself, God has given me the scope. I think you remain with us, our videos, our endeavor, and you will also be benefited because of these videos. So let us start our today's video. The topic of this video is spoken English topics that we have covered so far. If you eager to learn, to listen to these videos, please go to the video, go to my channel where you will find the video, and I am trying my best. Of course, if God wishes, of course, you in the form of God, manifestation of God wish, then I will publish them. I am with you. I have been able to expand myself through this media. I think I shall be able to add some value to your life. Of course, we should remain active. If I become inactive, there will not be any possibilities of improving our English. So let us learn together. Let us sharpen our skills as much as possible within this short span of life. Okay? No more of today. Let us proceed to the video. It will give you what topics we have discussed. If you express your desire to upload that videos, I will publish them. Okay? Thank you very much.
স্পোকেন ইংলিশে আমরা এই অবধি তাহলে 15 টপিকস আলোচনা করেছি। তার মধ্যে ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে ডব্লিউএইচ কোশ্চেন, ইয়েস নো কোশ্চেন, ডব্লিউ কোশ্চেন অ্যান্ড ট্যাগ কোশ্চেনস। নেক্সট থার্ড health. Can you tell me the dates? On which date did we start the practice of discussion on health? 31st. 31st May. May and 12th June. 7th June. We discussed this matter on 2 days. Okay. Next topics. Book. Date of discussion. 14th June. Okay. Next. Next topics. Food. FWD food. খাবার. Food. And date of discussion. 5th August. Okay. Next. Painting. Good. Date of discussion. 12th August. Okay. Next. Pet. PET pet. What is the date? 19 August. Okay. Next. Holidays. What is the date of discussion? 25th. 26th August. Okay. Next. Childhood. Date. 2nd September. Okay. Next. Computer. 2nd September. No. After 26th, 2nd September is right date. Okay. 28th August. Holidays were 26th August. You have missed the date of July. After 14th June, you have told the date as 5th August. Is it right? August means 8th month. Didn't we discuss anything on July 7th in the 7th month? What are those dates or what are those topics? Food. 5th July. Is it 5th July? Okay. Painting. Okay. I think you have wrongly told this date. Next. Pet. 29 July. 19 July. Have you written the dates wrongly? Holidays 26 July. Okay. Next. Childhood. 2nd August. Okay. Next. Date of discussion. 9th August. Okay. Next, biography. Date 16th, 1/6. Okay. Next, cleanliness. Okay. 23rd August. Okay. Next, YouTube. What was the date? 30th August. Next, what was the topic? God and goddesses. September 7th. Next, what is the word and phrases? 13th or 14th? 13th September. According to you, from May, what is the date according to you? We have started our discussion session. 10th May. From 10th May, we have started our spoken English class and discussion. And first we discussed on language. Next, yes no questions or WH questions or tag questions. Next, health, book, food, painting, pet, holidays, childhood, computer, biography, cleanliness, YouTube, book, God and goddesses, word, phrase, etc. Let us today decide some topics on which we may continue our conversation. And I, as a teacher, I would suggest you to participate in this conversation as much as possible. In the earlier classes, it has been seen that we have discussed many topics, and in those conversations I have spoken much, isn't it? But if you want to improve your spoken English or expressing power in spoken language, you have to participate more, because your fluency is more desirable. Okay, try to, of course it is right that to speak anything on any topics you must have idea. As you are a student and you have little experience, you have less experience than myself, because I am a matured person, you are going to be matured, so it is quite natural that you will not be able to speak in English, you will not be able to express your ideas, because your storehouse of idea is less than myself, your experience is less. But you should know that you to try to gather knowledge, experience, and you should express your ideas day by day, so that your fluency becomes increasing. So try to express yourself. Today, let us decide some topics on which we may express our ideas, we may exchange our ideas, and we may practice. You may tell this phase of our spoken English conversation as second. This is the phase 2. Write your copy. This is the phase 2 of our spoken English discussion or spoken English practice class. And today we shall decide some topics on which we will continue our conversation. In the earlier classes, we have spent about 1 hour for the whole discussion. But today I suggest that we should continue our speaking practice on various topics, on many topics, at least more than 1 or 1, 2, 3. Then there will be variation in our class, and that will be beneficial for us. Have you understood what I have said? So today let us fix the topics. Right. Greetings. Greetings in English. Greetings in English conversation. Two. Polite expression. Three. Sentences of order. Sentences of order. Sentences of request. Sentences of requests. Next, silent letters. Silent letters in English words. Silent letters in English word. Next, pronunciation of English words. Pronunciation of English words. Pronunciation. Question word. WH question words. WH question words. Application of WH question words in sentences. In sentences. Next, negative sentence making. Negative sentence making. phrase making, PHRASE, phrase making, হয়েছে ফ্রেজ মেকিং। আচ্ছা, ইউজ অফ প্রোনাউন, ইউজ অফ প্রিপোজিশন, and you should remember that during these are the mainly topics, and at the first day of our discussion we shall bring out we shall include some new subtopics. You should remember and make me remind that is there any subtopics on this topic? These are the topics. These are big or medium or short topics, and after this stage we shall practice on the basis of subtopics. Understand? Next, voice, use of voice, use of voice. Uses of counting words, uses of counting words, uses of words, uses of words expressing quantity, uses of words expressing quantity. Next, giving emphasis on English expression, on English expression, giving emphasis on English expression. Countable and uncountable words, countable and uncountable words. Okay, words of encouragement, words of encouragement, Words of consolation. Words of consolation. Do you know the meaning of the word consolation? Santona. Words of annoyance. A-N-N-O-Y-A-N-C. Annoyance or anger. A-N-N-O-Y-A-N-C. Annoyance or anger. Words of affection. Words of affection. A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. affection মানে স্নেহ। Okay. Words relating to study. Words relating to study. Words of etiquette. Words of etiquette. E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E. E-T-I-Q-U-E-T-T-E. etiquette. Words of etiquette. etiquette মানে হচ্ছে ভদ্রতা শিষ্টাচার সংক্রান্ত শব্দ। Idioms. Proverbs. Idioms, proverbs. Let us finish this list today, and we will include more topics for the discussion. Up to this time, this is our list of topics of conversation. Actually, we are trying to enter into minute part of spoken English or spoken part of English. Today we have mentioned but decided that we shall speak on greetings in English conversation.
Hello, viewers. You have listened to the last part of the video, and you have also learned that we have planned to continue our conversation on some topics which we have decided fixed today. If you want to listen to those conversation through our videos, do subscribe and remain with us and give us some scope to help you, to share my ideas, to share our conversation with you. No more today. We have given the sign of patience. অনেক ধৈর্যের পরিচয় দিয়েছেন. So I think you will remain with us. Okay, thank you very much for your watching this video.